What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad you're tuning into the channel again. Now this one's just going to be a quick video. I'm just making it for fun. I might have mentioned it before in one of my past videos when I first got the car, but basically I'm going to explain how to enter and exit the vehicle if your battery has died on you. In case the battery dies and it's completely dead and it's not giving any power at all to unlock the doors inside, I'm going to show you how to get in and how to get out. Just a quick little fun video, just so I can make something here. So in case any of y'all other new C7 owners don't know, or it's just a fun fact to know about the car, but let me go ahead and show y'all right now. All right, guys, so basically I'm gonna leave the car in the garage because I was gonna put it out here in the bay right here, right in front, but it's super windy outside and I feel like just the wind noise is gonna be getting in front of the volume here, so it's gonna mess things up. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna leave it in here. Sorry if you hear any wind noise at all, but it's just a super windy day here in San Antonio. But I'm gonna leave it in here and show y'all. So basically what you'll need to do if the battery is dead on the car, okay, is take your key fob here. Okay, I went ahead and took my carbon fiber cover off, and because you're gonna need to access this bottom part here. Now what you'll do is just hit the button and then pull up on it, and it's going to expose this little key here, in case y'all didn't know. Now, what we're going to do next, we're going to go on the back side of the Corvette, and on the, kind of like on the side of this area where the license plate is, up above, right about here, there's a little keyhole. So we're going to come over, and basically, we're going to see if I can get it in the video. Oh, right there, this little hole right there. You're going to insert the key. Go ahead and push it all the way through. So it's going to be like this. And turn it this way. Like that. And then it will open the trunk. So now the trunk's open. You can get access inside. And then basically what you're going to do is over here on the left, if you look, this little piece right here is the part that's going to open the driver's side door. So basically you're going to grab it and pull it. And then, as you can see, driver's side door is now open. And you can gain access to it here. Okay? So that's basically how to get in the car if the battery's completely dead. Alright, guys, so now we're in the vehicle, okay? But we're just going to act like we have no power to the car inside. And then you see it down there? Let me pull up the latch like that, and bam, it opens the vehicle up if the battery has no power and there's nothing going to the electronics. And that's going to be the same for the other side right there, okay? So that's how you pretty much will get in and out of the car if you don't have any battery power at all going into this car, since a lot of it is electronics. So alright, guys, so that's basically how to enter and exit the C7 Corvette in case your battery is completely dead and you don't have access to it. So that's basically going to help you out there for emergencies when you don't have that able. Alright, guys, so that's basically the video. I just wanted to make a quick one just so I could put something out, and I like just making videos. So hopefully that information is good to y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on this channel. I'm going to be bringing you a bunch more car shows as well, and hopefully a bunch more installed stuff with the car. So just stay tuned, and we'll see how this goes. Alright, guys, thank y'all for tuning in. Till the next one, the Rogue Vet out. Peace.